What's up, everybody? So you're thinking about moving to Tillamook, Oregon? Well, we are here in the heart of Tillamook. As you'll see, Tillamook has a ton to offer. In this video, I'm going to take you around town, show you a little bit of the city, and also take you to some properties at different price points so you can see what might fit inside your budget. And if you stick around till the end, we're going to show you one gem about Tillamook you're definitely going to want to see. And we're going to get after it right now. Hey, this is your first time to the channel. You want to know everything there is to know about eating, sleeping, working, playing, the good and the bad of living on the Oregon coast and Tillamook? Then subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market on the coast. My name is Eddie, and I get calls, texts, and emails every single day from people just like you looking to make a move to the Oregon coast. I absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or email us. We're happy to help you make a smooth move to the Oregon coast today. And we're going to get after it right now. 4445 Bomquist, beautiful ranch home in the country, very well maintained, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, attached 2-car garage, just over a ½ acre, circular driveway, surrounds a waterfall feature. It has an open deck in the backyard, large family room, kitchen, nice landscaping all around the house. It's very clean, it's move-in ready, and this is what you can get for around $500,000 in Tillamook, right here on the north end of Tillamook, right by the Tillamook Cheese Factory. 1908 10th Street, 3-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,780 square feet, light and bright, well cared for, cozy and comfortable. Large room, primary bedroom and bathroom and office all on the main floor. Creates easy main floor living, and we're right here in downtown Tillamook. You can get this house for about $399,000, so it's right around the $400,000 mark. But this is going to be a good spot if you want to be in Tillamook. This is kind of what you can expect if you're in Tillamook downtown, 10th Street, close to Tillamook High School. It's close to the hospital. There's really walkability to everywhere here in Tillamook. So this is a great option if you want to be under $400,000 in Tillamook. 409 Delmonte Street, 315, newly renovated, 3-bed, 1-bath, 1,400 square feet. It boasts charm, modern updates throughout. It recently got evaluated by a electrician and a contractor. It's perfect, praised above the listing price of $315,000. The kitchen has granite countertops, large farmhouse sink, some new stainless steel appliances, lots of storage. There's a big bonus room. There's a second living area for kids here. And this is all for $315,000 right in the middle of Tillamook. This has got a carport and a workshop. This is a great place. This is a good option. So for $300,000, I mean, we've seen something at $500,000, $400,000, $300,000. This is a really good option here on Delmonte Avenue, and it's walkability everywhere. I mean, Tillamook, that's the cool thing. It's not huge. You can walk everywhere, and it's a good community. So you look around, well-maintained homes all over the place, and good jobs around here too. So it's a good option in Tillamook. One place, if you're going to live in Tillamook, that you're going to want to know about is the Tillamook YMCA. This is a place where a lot of things happen for youth, sports, community events, things like that. Definitely want to take a look. If you're going to want to work out, they've got a great workout center, gym, and more. But in Tillamook, make sure you check out the Tillamook County Family YMCA. I'd say the biggest gem of Tillamook that you're going to want to come see is the Tillamook Cheese Factory. It's a place where you can take your family, go look all the way through the entire factory, get something good to eat, get some ice cream, and just have a good time. Learn a little bit about the cheese and ice cream and dairy making process. Let me know. One gem about Tillamook is the Tillamook Cheese Factory. Take a look around. You've got the tour, you've got places to eat, you've got ice cream, all the great things about Tillamook right here. And come here, make sure you take a visit, bring the fam, get some ice cream. You'll love it. If you live in Tillamook, you're gonna definitely want to come here. This is a food trailer area right in the corner of First and Stillwell. You're a block from Safeway, where you're probably gonna do a lot of your shopping if you don't go to Fred Meyer to the north end of town. You also have this Pelican Brewing Company. It's got outdoor seating for meals. It's a great place to go get any drafts, but this is a great spot here in Tillamook. There's a lot more to see in Tillamook. What I advise you to do if you're moving to Tillamook, come check out the city. Give me a call if you need any help with anything. Come by the Air Museum right behind me. Go to Tillamook Cheese Factory. Go over to Tart. Go to Manzanita. Go down to Pacific City. Maybe take a drive down to Newport. But take a look around and see where it is that you want to be. And if you need any help, give me a call, text me, email me. I'll be there to help. But until then, get after it. Have a great day.